Table Mountain, through the misty morning and the golden haze, in this ancient land where legends still blaze, with the drone up high just once in our flight, capturing the beauty in morning's light.
Here for more of that, and for my mate Paul who beat the horn 3 times today, we'll seek forgiveness for him. Table Mountain. Thought I heard people there. We're going this way. Hello. Hello. Hello.
O cold March winds, your cruel lament are hard on prisoners' hearts. For you bring my mother's pleading cry, from whom I've had to part. I hear her weeping lonely sobs, her sorrow sweeps me by, and in the dark prison cell, a tear has warmed my eye. O whistling winds, why do you weep, when roaming free you are? O lonely winds that walk the night, to haunt the sinner's soul. Pray pity me, a wretched lad, who never will grow old. Pray pity those who lie in pain, the bondsman and the slave. And whisper sweet the breath of God upon my humble grave. O cold March wind, that piercing dark, you cry in aged tones. For souls of folk you've brought to God, but still you bear the moans. O weeping winds, that lonely night, my mother's heart is sore. O Lord of all breath, of freedom's breath, that she may weep no more.
Over there. I had a campfire there. Yeah. So we're gonna continue on this, and we'll be up there the next time I'll record. We'll be up there rather than bore the shite out of everyone.
Table Mountain, through the misty morning and the golden haze, in this ancient land where legends still blaze, with the drone up high just once in our flight, capturing the beauty in morning's light.
Now, we're getting closer to where we stopped the last day.
we take.
I
We
think we
wear
might be able
our
to switch
hearts
to that
with
shot.
pride. Life is a hobby in Ireland,
Yeah.
where the spirit is wild and
We've come all the way from down
it's
there.
like a fucking hobby, you just wait and see. The nature is beautiful and lots of places to be. Table Mountain, through the misty morning and the golden haze, in this ancient land where legends still blaze. With the drone up high just once in our flight, capturing the beauty in morning's light.
Oh, tadpoles. Loads of tadpoles. Look at them. Millions of them.
Life is a hobby in Ireland. The drone is fucking awesome. Everything is fucking awesome. Motherfucking awesome. Motherfucking awesome. Motherfuckity fuckity fuckity fuck.
We got here in the end.
Camping in the wild, it's an uphill start. 3 spots to pick, we'll play our part. We do this cause it's tough, not cause it's easy. Oh yeah, we're camping, feeling kinda breezy. Leg breaker moss, gotta tread with care. In the great outdoors, it's a dangerous affair. 3 spots to camp, the choice is tough. Camping in the wild, it's a wild ride. 3 spots to choose, nowhere to hide. We do this cause it's tough, not cause it's easy. Oh yeah, we're camping, feeling no so cheesy. Noodles don't make the cookie monster happy, but eggs damn that and mighty snappy. Going solo, ristic camping, it's no joke.